Hey everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by and spending some time with me today. I truly appreciate it. Today I am sharing my latest Natalie Attired box with you. And Natalie Attired is another one of those clothing subscription services where you go online, you fill out a style profile, and based on your profile, a stylist curates a box of 5 items for you. The box gets shipped to your house. You have 3 days to try everything on. Whatever you don't want or whatever you're not keeping, doesn't fit, goes back in a prepaid mailer, and everything is done through USPS. So it's really, really convenient. So Natalie Attired's style profile, in my opinion, is a little bit more detailed. So you do have to send your measurements too, which does help you get the best fitting clothing. So I really like that. You do pay $20 for your styling fee, but that $20 does get credited to anything that you keep. I just do mine on demand, so I don't have it set up to be sent monthly, or, you know, I think you could do it seasonally, or I think you could do it every 2 to 3 weeks, but I just kind of go in and click whenever I want one, on like an on-demand type of basis. On your note, they do have a new discount system, I think you could call it, and I'm gonna just look at the card really quickly so I say it correctly. So, okay, so the new discount is you keep 3 to 4 items and you save 20%. If you keep all 5, you save 30%. So that's really a nice feature too. And then you get a handwritten card from your stylist. Also in your box, you get an invoice, and that tells you the prices. I don't want to look at that, but we'll look at that later. I will go over prices as I go through the items. And then, like I mentioned, you do get your prepaid mailer, so everything goes back in here. All right, I thought we would kind of go old school and I would do an unboxing because I haven't looked at my items and I don't think there's a way to peek, and you know me, if there's a way to peek, I will find one. I haven't found one with Natalie Attired, so let's go through my box. Okay, so the first thing that I have is, okay, this is by Andree by Unit, and this is, it's a large, okay. Oh, let me see the price. It's a 3/4 sleeve embroidered V-neck top, and it's $59. Sorry, I haven't done an unboxing like this in a while, like a true unboxing. I normally just go right to the try-on, so bear with me. So this is really pretty. It's kind of got the embroidery here, and then the sleeves each have that, and it's kind of a bell type sleeve too. So I can't wait to, I love the color. It's like a tan color in the background. I'll tell you the material when I try it on. The next thing I have, and I will leave a list below too with all of the products, or all the clothing that I receive, the prices, all right? So this is by Andree by Unit again. Flutter sleeve, striped floral top, it's $39, and this is a large too. So this is cute, not bad. So it's got kind of the flutter sleeves, I think, here. I do like the floral print. Looks a little short for my liking, but we'll see when I try it on. All right. Oh, look at these. So these are jeans, and they're by Liverpool, so they're gonna be expensive. These are, where's the tag? These are the Abby skinny pant. Yikes, $102. Wow, okay. But the color's really pretty. What are they calling it? I don't see the size or the color. They're the skinny. I'll try to find it on the invoice and give it to you after, but they're like a teal green almost. So it's a pretty color, but yikes, $102? I don't know. All right. Then, oh, I see some cheetah. So this is by Chris and Carol, and this is the 3/4 sleeve leopard baseball top. It's $39. So the middle is just black, and then it's kind of like a baseball type of shirt where it's leopard, so it's cute. I can't wait to try that on. Okay, and then lastly, what is this? Oh, okay, this is by Kika. I think I got something in my last box that's from that brand. This, it just says Annabelle, so I think it's a maxi dress, and it's $69. I don't see this size here. Okay. This is interesting. Oh, it's got, I think it's like a halter style top, and it looks like it ties in the middle because it's got those on each side. It looks very long. So it's like a striped kind of tie-dye pattern. All right, so those are my 5 items. I really can't wait to try everything on, so I'm gonna start doing that and I'll be right back. Okay, so this top is by Andree. This is a 3/4 sleeve embroidered V-neck top. It's $59. It is 90% rayon and 10% polyester. I think this is so cute. So I'm gonna back up. So it does have a V-neck. I love the neckline. I do love the embroidery. I think it's so pretty. I did pick up a top though last month that has a similar embroidery up here. But each of the sleeves has the cute embroidery detail. Great length too. It passes the Kayla length test, so I'm loving that. I don't know. I think the colors I really like on me. So from the embroidery, what do you think? And then I love the sleeve detail, and they are kind of a bell type of sleeve. I like it. You let me know what you think, and I'm gonna try on my next top. Okay, I'm back, and this is by Chris and Carol. It's the 3/4 sleeve leopard baseball top. It's $39, and it's a mixture of rayon, polyester, and spandex. I forgot the exact percentages, but back up so you can see. So it's black, solid black in the middle, and then the sleeves are that leopard print. The leopard print is on the collar too. So I think this is really cute. I think this is totally a Kayla top. I don't own anything like this. Yes, I know I own a lot of leopard, and some of you have told me it is possible to have too much leopard. I know, I gotta slow my roll, I guess, with the leopard, but I just love it. I think it's different though because I don't have a lot of stuff that's accented in leopard. I have a lot of all-out leopard tops. So this is something different, and it kind of tones it down a little bit, right? I did have a necklace on with it before, but might be too much because I do love my statement necklaces, but yeah, that might be too much with the necklace, but I just thought it was fun. All right, let me know what you think about this top. It's so soft. It's very, very soft, and it's comfortable. So this is a good kind of throw on and go top. All right, I have 3 more things to show you, so I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and this top is by Andree. It's the Flutter sleeve striped fall top for $39. I do have pants on, which we'll go over in a second. This top is also a blend of rayon, poly, and spandex. So it's pretty cute. I don't know, it's a little bit short for my liking because you know I like my tops to be a little bit longer, but this is different. I don't know, I did put it on with the jeans, which we'll talk about in a second, but let's focus on the top first. I don't know. It's not a Kayla top, like a normal Kayla top. I kind of want to like it because I do love the sleeve. This top is very comfortable, and I think the sleeve detail is so cute, the way that the Flutter sleeves are. I don't know, maybe I'd size up. I don't know, maybe, I don't know if I need to because then it would be too big, but what do you guys think? It's definitely not a normal Kayla top, and you're probably going to tell me that. So, all right, I do want to put the camera down a little bit, and I'm going to talk about the jeans, and the jeans are from Liverpool. And I couldn't find the color. It's just saying that they're green, but they're kind of like a teal green. These are the Abby skinny pants. These are $102. So they're long. Oh, whoops, you can't see. Hang on. Let me see if I can move the camera a little bit down, further down. There we go. There we go. Okay, so they were a little bit long, so I did the trick that I learned to cuff them inside because short girl problems. They're a pretty color, but and they're very comfortable, but I love my Liverpool pants. They're very comfortable. $102 though? I don't know. Are they worth the $102? You guys let me know what you think. All right, I have that maxi dress to try on, so let me try to get that on, and I will be right back to show you it. All right, I am back with the maxi dress. I'm not feeling it, but anyway, it's by Kika. It's the Annabelle dress, and it's $69. The top, these tops don't flatter me the way that they hit my like armpit area. It's just not flattering for me. You have to wear a special bra too, and you know, I don't like to do that. It does have a tie. I'm not sure if you're supposed to tie it in the back or tie it. I just tied it in the front. I just don't think it's flattering for me. It doesn't really do anything for me. I know you can't see the whole length. I will move the camera down so you can see, but I wanted you to see the top. It's just not doing much for me. All right, let's see if I could show you. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I like the pattern. I just wish it had a different top. Like, I think if it was just like bigger, thicker, like a tank top, actual top to this dress, I might feel a little bit differently about it. I don't know. It just doesn't really do anything for me. So I think this one's going back. But all right, I'll be right back and we'll do a recap. All right, what do we think? Not bad, but I'm not going to keep everything. I can tell you that. But I'm curious to know your thoughts. So The maxi dress, I'm putting it back in the bag. It just wasn't the style of top that I prefer for dresses. So I don't know. I do like the pattern though, and for the right person who can pull off that kind of halter style top, it would look really cute. It just, I can't pull it off. And then I'm torn because these jeans are so comfortable and the color is just beautiful. I don't own a pair of jeans this color, but $102? Oh, that is a lot of money. So I don't know. I do love Liverpool, but I feel like that's expensive even for Liverpool. I think that happened once before in my Natalie Attired that I got a $102 pair of Liverpool pants, and I thought it was really expensive. I'm not sure about this top with the floral print and the flutter sleeves. I like it, but I don't know if I love it. And I think it's just because it's a different top for me. It's not a normal Kayla top. You let me know what you think about this one. The leopard top, I think I'm gonna keep this one. It's so soft, it's so comfortable. This is the baseball tee. I don't own any baseball tees, so this will be a new addition to my wardrobe. And of course, I've got my leopard, so it makes me happy. And then lastly, I really do like this top. I'm just gonna see if it's similar to the one that I got last time. I know the embroidery is similar, but I just think that the sleeve detail is so pretty. I love that it matches the neckline. So I really was happy with this one. All right, I need your help to determine what to keep. Remember, if I keep 3 items, I get 20 or 25% off? So I'm liking 2. Do I keep a third to get the discount, or do I just kind of stick with the 2 that I'm happy with? You let me know what you think. As always, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope that you enjoy the rest of your day. I will see you all very, very soon.